Okay, welcome to MassUpdater 1.5. Now that you're inside the software, feel free to look around. This program is different from any other CMS system out there on the market. It was built to make the hard stuff easy so that you can concentrate on your design or the success of your business. Performance is job one when it comes to MassUpdater 1.5, and let me show you how this program performs. Let's take a look at this getting started screen. As you can see, it pops up so that you can get started quickly. Now looking at the get it started quickly panel, you have a couple of options. You can hit don't see this again. In this case, we're not going to do that. We're going to go for yes. Now here you'll get some information on basically what is going to be in this video right here. So unfortunately the video is not going to be able to be played from this standpoint because we're making the video right now. So what we have is the basic 1.44 second video from MassUpdater. Now from there we also have to the very right are super simple, simple, and advanced. These are some pages that the developers of MassUpdater put together so that you can understand how to move and manipulate images, how to add text and change text colors, also how to add pictures on the fly really quick. Plus it also shows you how easy it is to build an entire web page or website in MassUpdater and how you can build web pages easily in MassUpdater. With this frame structure from these three different pages, you'll get a clear idea how you could build a website in MassUpdater. So we're going to go through this quickly, and we're just going to show you how easy it is to use MassUpdater and how easy it is to move and manipulate whole pages in MassUpdater. We're going to start first by just a simple drop. So let's move this on over. Click in your editable area, and let's drop a web page. Not a website, but a web page. Just click the button, and there you have it. All the information dropped. Now, going through this quickly, let's go ahead and zoom in and out. So we're going to zoom out so you can see how MassUpdater is pretty robust and how you can see everything that you want to see in terms of your web page. And as you notice, the text wasn't replaced by X's or boxes like how you remember if you ever used something like Quark Express. It's a pretty clean move all the way to a small size so you can see everything in your editable area and how great your page looks. So let's go ahead and let's drop another one. It's easy to do this. All you have to do with MassUpdater is to grab the outer line of the box, and you can not only delete information, entire information, but you can also copy information, and I'm talking about whole web pages. Now click your outermost line and then hit delete, and there you go. All the information is gone. Now let's go ahead and drop a simple web page. That was super simple we just dropped. Now here's a simple web page, and let's zoom back so we can see that a little bit clearer. Okay, whole web page right there. Let's zoom in just a little bit and we can scroll on down. All right, see everything. Great. Now I'm going to answer a question that you're probably thinking in your head right now, but let me go ahead and drop the third one just before I do that. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing we did before. We're going to click that outermost line and then hit delete. All that information is gone. Now let's hit an advanced web page and let's drop that. Okay, just that simple. This software performs really well. It has a high performance rate. You're not going to see the same thing with other CMS systems, and you're not going to see other CMS systems work with advanced technology as easy as MassUpdater works with advanced technology. We built this for you guys and for us too. We got tired of going into HTML. We got tired of going into CSS. We got tired of going into JavaScript. We just wanted it to be easy so the websites would look their best, and we can go ahead and continue to keep our content fresh and live. That's the name of the game these days. Now, in terms of saving your page, very easy with MassUpdater. All you have to do is go down to the bottom of your screen and hit submit. You can save draft, and you can also take a draft to a live version. So if you notice, this information is totally blank now, but if I click the draft version of this page, your content is there. Now, if I want to go ahead and make that same draft information live, I just choose Make Live from the drop-down menu and hit Submit. And it's done. So now you have information in both the live and the draft and the live. Just that simple with MassUpdater. Now you have a few other functions that come along with MassUpdater, which include mouseovers. With mouseovers, you get to create mouseovers and mouseover effects as well as links within them, and you also get a mouseover gallery. So you can create as many mouseovers as you want and use them throughout your website. This makes it very easy. You don't have to recreate stuff. You just create it once and keep on going. So think about all your employees or your best buddy who does all your updates for you. You know, it makes it really easy. Heck, buy this for your web developer, or web developers buy this for your clients so they don't drive you crazy anymore. So let's go ahead and X out of the Get Started quickly. And one of the prevailing thoughts that I could imagine that you're thinking is like, wow, I have to edit in this little box? No, not with MassUpdater. We already thought of that. All you have to do is just click maximize, and it will get nice and large so that you can edit with some real estate, baby. Now, how cool is that? So let's go ahead, click right back so we can look at the web page in its full glory, all the way down to the bottom. Okay. Now also, we're very smart about the getting started too. A lot of times people want to go back to the getting started so they can learn a little bit more about the software that they're using when they, start first off. So we included a get back to getting started button at the top to make it really simple. So bam, pop it right back up. Hit yes, and let's go ahead and drop this middle simple site again. I just wanted to let you see how it looks, in widescreen mode. And there it is. Okay, this is MassUpdater. The gray boxes represent Flash. So MassUpdater, the programmers, we're smart to allow you to drop Flash in MassUpdater. There's no upgrade that's necessary. This comes with MassUpdater 1.5. You can drop Flash, you can drop YouTubes, you can, heck man, you can drop really advanced photo galleries with MassUpdater. You can also add, manipulate, drop text, whatever you want, pictures, all that stuff, change pictures. So change, just see as what you get. Text editing, but with a lot more oomph to it. Want to change a picture? Not a problem. Open up your photo gallery, and let's go ahead and let me show you how easy it is. Photo change, just that simple. Okay, you want to replace that with buildings? There you go. MassUpdater is really, really easy, but high powered. Really powerful performance. You can get a lot out of this program. Let me show you something else. Would you like to see what this page looks like live? Let's go ahead and save a live version of how badly we just dealt this page a blow by changing pictures. So let's see how that looks. Okay. In this screen, this is your manage page dialog box. It's a pop-up box that you can create pages, you can view your web page, you can also delete your pages, make page default right here. You can, make your, you can add your thank you page, you can add your search page. You can also, add meta tags when your page is created. You also have a recycle bin for your deleted pages so you can retrieve those pages. This is a really smart software. So in this case, what we're going to do, and I'm going to close this one just in case, but what we're going to do is we're going to hit view this page. So first, click the page you want to view. Perfect. And then click view web page. And it will pop up in your default browser. So If you wanted to pop up in the best browser that you love the most, whether it's Firefox, Chrome, or Internet Explorer, set your browser to default before you hit this button. And there you have it. So, as I was saying, you can drop your flash, username and password information, email, whatever you have to create new, or whatever you have to, that you want your web developer to create. Whatever it is, you can just, drop it right in with MassUpdater, and nice little flash piece there. Links, all that. Mouse over effects. You want to add your widgets. You want to add your links back to your Facebook, to your YouTube, to your MySpace, to your Twitter. You can add all your Find Us with MassUpdater. Everything up to date. So that's it for the basic tutorial when it comes to Mass.